Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into NIST Cloud Computing Reference Model, and I've created this PPT under the guidance of Dr. Vivek Srivastav sir. Okay, let's get back to the NIST model. NIST model is a critical framework created by National Institute of Standards and Technology or NIST. If you're interested in cloud computing or work in it, understanding this model is essential. It outlines the key characteristics of cloud computing, explains different service and deployment models, and provides guidance on cloud adoption strategies. By end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to approach cloud computing, whether you are a cloud user or considering cloud solutions for your organizations. Alright, let's get started by viewing the NIST model first. It has several components which work together. The first one is cloud consumer, cloud auditor, cloud provider, which consists service, orchestration, resource abstraction and control layer, physical resource layer, cloud service management, security, privacy, and cloud broker. Now let's start the exploring core characteristics of cloud computing as defined by NIST. According to NIST, cloud computing has 5 defining characteristics. Let's break them down one by one. On-demand self-service. This characteristic means users can provision computing resource like storage or processing power automatically whenever they need it. Imagine being able to add more storage to your account without waiting for someone to approve it. The cloud allows this kind of instant access, empowering users and increasing flexibility. Now, another one is broad network access. Cloud services are designed to be accessible across different network devices, whether it's a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. This broad accessibility allows users to stay connected to their data and applications anytime and anywhere, as long as they have an internet connection. Now, the another one is resource pooling. With resource pooling, cloud providers serve multiple customers from shared resources. These resources are dynamically allocated based on demand. So if one customer needs more resource, the system adjusts. This feature is huge cost saver for companies because it's more efficient than traditional on-premise solutions. Fourth one is rapid elasticity. This feature allows cloud services to expand and contract quickly, meeting fluctuating demands. For instance, if an e-commerce site experiences high traffic, the cloud can scale to handle it. Then, once the traffic dies down, resources can be reduced, making cloud usage highly flexible and efficient. The last one is measured service. Finally, cloud services are measured. Provider track usage, ensuring that customers only pay for what they use. It's like a utility. You build based on consumption, which helps business manage and optimize cost, which makes it real cost efficient. These characteristics make cloud computing an attractive option for many business, combining convenience with flexibility and cost efficiency. Now, cloud service models. Next, let's discuss the 3 primary cloud service models as defined by NIST, that is SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Each of these offers different level of control and flexibility. The first one is SaaS, that is software as a service. This perhaps the most familiar cloud model where applications are hosted in the cloud and accessed over internet. With SaaS, you don't have to worry about installing or maintaining the software. Instead, you just log in and use it. Examples include tools like Google Workspace, Dropbox, and Microsoft 365. The another platform is platform as a service or PaaS. PaaS provides a platform for developers to build and deploy applications without handling the underlying infrastructure. For example, if you are building an app, a PaaS solution provides the environment, that is the servers, database and frameworks. You need to develop, test and deploy without worrying about the hardware. Common examples include Google App Engine and Microsoft Azure. The third one is infrastructure as a service or IaaS. IaaS is the most flexible of three. It provides fundamental building blocks such as virtual machines, storage, and networking. With IaaS, users have complete control over the infrastructure, allowing them to build custom solutions. Popular IaaS providers include Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and IBM Cloud. These three services models give users a different level of responsibility, flexibility, making it easier for business to select what fits their needs best. Another one is the cloud deployment model. NIST defines four deployment models, that is public, private, hybrid and community clouds. Each of these offers unique benefits and considerations. The first one is public cloud. This model is open to public, meaning anyone can access it over the internet. The infrastructure is owned and managed by a third party provider. Public clouds are scalable and cost effective, making them suitable for organizations without strict security needs. Another one is the private cloud. This model is for the exclusive use of a single organization, either hosted internally or by a third party provider. Private cloud offers enhanced control and security, making them ideal for business with strict compliance requirements. The third one is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud combines public and private cloud environments, giving organizations more flexibility. Sensitive data can stay in a private cloud, while less critical workloads can use a public cloud, creating a balance between cost and security. Another one is the community cloud. In a community cloud, multiple organizations with the shared concerns such as compliance or security share infrastructure. This model is often used by organizations in sectors like healthcare or finance. Choosing the right deployment model depend on factors like security needs, scalability, and cost efficiency. Cloud computing actors and their roles. Next, NIST identifies four primary roles in the cloud ecosystem: the cloud consumer, provider, broker, and auditor. Cloud consumer. This is individual or organization that uses cloud service to meet business needs. Consumers could range from small startup to large enterprises. Cloud provider. Providers own and manage the cloud infrastructure and make services available to consumers. They handle the hardware, software, and maintenance the need to keep the cloud operational. Cloud broker. A broker acts as an intermediary between the consumer and the provider, helping to manage the delivery of services and handle negotiation, selection, and billing. The cloud auditor. The auditor accesses the security, compliance, and performance of cloud services. This role is vital for ensuring that cloud services meet industry standards and regulatory requirements. Interportability and portability of a cloud. Interportability and portability are important when working with multiple cloud providers. data interportability. This is the ability to exchange and use data across different cloud services, which is essential for multi-cloud environment. Application portability. Portability is the ability to move applications from one cloud to another without major modifications, helping avoid vendor lock-in. Infrastructure portability. Similar to application portability, but for infrastructure components like virtual machines. This allows for migration between providers without the significant changes. Together, interportability and portability provide flexibility and help organization and avoid dependency on a single provider. Security and privacy considerations. Finally, let's talk about the security and privacy in the cloud. NIST highlights several key security areas, that is, access control, data encryption, regulatory compliance, and incident response. Let's understand each of them one by one. First one is the access control. This ensures only authorized users can access data, safeguarding sensitive information. Second one is data encryption. Encryption protects data by encoding it, ensuring that only those with a decryption key can access it. Third one is regulatory compliance. Organizations must meet regulations like GDPR or HIPAA, which set standards for data protection in the cloud. Fourth one, the incident response. Having a plan for responding to a data breaches or attacks is critical for minimizing damage and recovery quickly. The conclusion. In the summary, the NIST Cloud Computing Reference Model is a comprehensive guide that covers everything from cloud characteristics to deployment options and security considerations. By following these guidelines, organizations can adopt cloud solutions confidentially and securely. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. Okay, now's the time for the quiz questions. You will really have fun in those. First question. What is the key feature of on-demand self-service characteristic in cloud computing? A. Requires human interaction with provider. Allows user to provision resource independently. C. Involves broad network access. Or D. Depends on multi-tenancy. The correct answer is B. Allows user to provision resource independently, because cloud users can access and configure resource as needed without provider intervention, making cloud services highly flexible. Which of the following best describes resource pooling? Cloud services are shared among multiple clients, data storage in isolated environment, exclusive access to resource, or manual allocation of a resource provider. The correct answer is option A. Cloud services are shared among multiple clients, because resource pooling means multiple clients share same cloud infrastructure, which optimizes resource use. The correct answer is option C, because measured service in a cloud computing tracks resource usage for accurate billing. Which role in cloud computing is responsible for accessing the compliance and performance? Cloud consumer, cloud broker, cloud auditor, or cloud provider? The answer is cloud auditor. The cloud auditor's role is to evaluate and verify the security and compliance of cloud service. Broad network access refers to access only through desktop computers, access through any network device, limited access for authorized users only, or on-demand access only? The answer is B. Access through any network device. Because broad network access ensures users can connect to cloud services from any device with the internet connectivity. Another one is, what is the primary purpose of interportability in cloud computing? To allow exclusive cloud provider compatibility, to transfer data seamlessly across platforms, to restrict data access to certain regions, or to manage cost effectively. The correct answer is B, to transfer data seamlessly across platforms. Because interportability is the feature which allows systems from different providers to work together without the compatibility issues. What does SaaS stand for? It is the easy one, we all know it. Software as a system, software as a solution, software as a service as a software, or software as a service. Option D, software as a service. A private cloud is typically used for what? General public access, exclusive access by a single organization, shared access among a specific community, or a freelance project. The correct answer is exclusive access by a single organization. Platform as a service primarily offers infrastructures only, complete application hosting, a platform for development and deployment, or networking services. The correct option is a platform for development and deployment. In the context of NIST cloud computing model, which of the factor most directly challenges the portability of applications across different cloud providers? Proprietary APIs and data inputs formatted by providers, lack of broad network access for some users, limited availability of an on-demand service features, or insufficient cloud services security protocols and decryption standards. The correct answer is proprietary APIs and data format used by providers, because proprietary systems can make switching providers difficult, potentially causing vendor lock-in. Thank you so much. I hope you really liked the video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any query or questions, leave it on the comment section. Thank you so much.